Every organization collects data. Surveys go out, applications come in, interviews get transcribed, reports get filed. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your tools collect this data. They don't understand it. Data warehouses store, CRMs track, survey tools tabulate. Sopact understands, and that one word changes everything. Let me show you what I mean. A fund manager needs to know whether a portfolio company's quarterly narrative contradicts their original application. A program director wants to understand why retention dropped across 3 cohorts. A foundation officer asks, what happened with that youth workforce program we funded for 2 cycles? Nobody has the answer, not because the data doesn't exist, but because it's trapped in tools that were never built to read it. The result? Organizations spend 80% of their analysis time cleaning and merging data from disconnected systems. Impact reports take months. Critical insights arrive too late to act on. Teams maintain 5, 6, 7 different platforms, none of which talk to each other and none of which carry context from one stage to the next. And the worst part, there's a moment in every workflow where context dies completely. We call it the selection cliff. Traditional application tools are excellent at collecting applications, assigning reviewers, scoring, and making selection decisions. Then they stop. The data goes into a report, the spreadsheet goes into a folder, and you never connect that applicant's original submission to their year 2 outcomes. 3 years of quarterly reports, site visits, and interviews, none of it connected. When a board member asks about results, it takes 2 weeks to assemble the answer. Sopact is built differently, from the ground up. It isn't a survey tool with AI bolted on. It isn't a CRM with a reporting add-on. It isn't an application portal that stops working after the selection stage. Sopact is a 3-layer AI native platform. Layer 1, multi-source data collection, built-in forms and surveys, but that's just the start. Through bidirectional AI connectors, Sopact ingests PDFs, interview transcripts, email, CRM data, spreadsheets, any external source. Think of it as a universal translator. A fund manager using Claude or any AI assistant can query their Sopact data in natural language, find discrepancies across portfolio companies, and push updates back. Without ever opening the platform, the system comes to you, not the other way around. Layer 2, lifecycle management. Every person, every organization, every partner gets a persistent unique ID from day 1. Due diligence, onboarding, quarterly data, pre-post assessment, exit follow-up, all connected to the same entity. Remember the which Sarah is this problem? 3 Sarahs applied. One changed her email, another submitted through a different form. Sopact solves this permanently. One unique ID, every interaction, every stage, every document linked forever. No more selection cliff, context carries through the entire journey. Layer 3, continuous intelligence. This is where understands becomes real. AI reads your documents, codes open-ended responses, identifies emerging themes, spots sentiment shifts over time, and critically, it correlates qualitative insights with quantitative metrics across the full life cycle, not in quarterly reporting sprints, continuously. Now let me go deeper, because this is what makes Sopact fundamentally different from anything else on the market. We call it the Intelligence Suite, 4 layers of AI analysis that work together. Intelligence Cell analyzes any open-ended text, essay, or document the moment it arrives. Not just keywords, it extracts meaning, themes, evidence quality, and scores against your rubric automatically. Intelligent RAW generates a complete AI summary of each applicant or stakeholder. Reviewers can scan 50 applications in the time it used to take to read 10. Intelligent Column compares a single dimension across your entire pool. Batch applicants by category, region, innovation score, or any criteria instantly. And Intelligent Grid produces board-ready reports combining qualitative evidence with quantitative metrics in minutes, not months. These aren't separate tools you bolt together. They're one unified intelligence layer that works on every piece of data that enters the system. Let me put real numbers on this. A university receives 500 scholarship applications, each with a 1,500-word essay. Traditional approach? 12 reviewers reading manually. 125 hours of review time. 3 to 5 days just to assign reviewers. 6 to 12 weeks for the full cycle. And at the end, subjective impressions. With Sopact, AI pre-scores every application against your rubric within minutes. Reviewers get pre-analyzed summaries. They focus on the top 50 candidates, not all 500. Total human review time drops by 65%. But here's what matters even more than the time savings. Every score is consistent. Same criteria, first application to last. No scoring drift between week 1 and week 3. No unconscious bias favoring certain writing styles. And you can iterate. After 10 applications, you realize your rubric weights innovation too heavily. You adjust 2 lines in your prompt. The system rescores all 10 instantly. Try that with 12 manual reviewers. Now, Sopact is not limited to impact. You can be selling monitoring devices and want to understand cancellation reasons. Any organization that needs to collect multimodal data, that's Sopact. Grant and scholarship management, accelerator and fellowship programs, ESG and impact reporting, partner and investment tracking, churn and retention analysis. And you don't have to rip and replace anything. Sopact complements your existing CRM and data systems. It fills the gap none of them can, understanding qualitative PDFs, open-ended text, and interview data on a continuous basis. Visit sopact.com to see the platform in action. If this changed how you think about data collection, hit subscribe. Sopact, the platform that doesn't just collect your data, it understands it.